Welcome to our channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to post long video in your WhatsApp app status. Let's start. At first you have to open your WhatsApp app. In here, if you tap on updates and you want to add any status, then you can't add a video more than 13 seconds. You have to grow the speed of your video and you can't do it on your WhatsApp app. For this you have to download an app, and I'm going to use this app. Now if you guys are using InShot app, then tap on video and then tap on new. Now you just have to choose the video of yours. For example, I'm gonna choose this one and then tap on the check mark. As you guys can see, the duration of the video is 2 minutes and I want to make it 30 seconds. For this I have to grow the speed of this video, and if you scroll like this you will find speed option, and if you guys want to grow the speed you have to move it like this, make it 13 seconds longer. And now tap on the check mark, and to save the video you have to tap on save option, and now tap on save. As you guys can see, this video is right now saved, and now I can share the video in my WhatsApp status. So this is how you can post long video in your WhatsApp app status. See how easy it is. Put lots of effort every day through videos to make your life better. If it helps, please subscribe and like. Until next time, bye bye.